Good afternoon, everyone out there. This message now for married women. I beg, this time of coronavirus, now the time one I go use amend on our marriage. This time not be time to complain with your oga, say, oga, God don't catch you. Before you they come back by 2 o'clock. You they say you won't go watch ball, you won't go do this one, you won't go do this one. Not be time to complain at all. No complain with your man at all. No time to check time. I beg. This time now the time we be say, una need to dey dress good. 24/7, anytime when you dey house, dress good. If you sabi fix your nails or fix your nail, not say, this one why I don't hold at this my age, now go dey fix nail. No talk like that. Dress yourself good. Wash your kpekus. Some women no sabi wash kpekus. Some kpekus, they smell. If some women open their kpekus like this, the whole house, that house go spoil. I beg, no will learn how to wash our kpekus. Very, very important. If you are your oga dey house, this time na the time to cook and better food. Pet am. Men, in every man there is a king that wants to reign, and in every man there is a child that wants to play. Pet your king, treat your king like oga. You with your oga dey house, respect am like never before. Call am different name. Dress yourself, make up. They bath 24/7, 3 times a day, 4 times a day, if it's possible for you. As you bath, they change different clothes. If you and your guy they watch TV, before you know, you bend down, go carry remote. Say you won't change the channel. No be saying that the channel you won't change. You just bend down, make it notice you. Bend down, make it notice you. This time at the time when you go, you pet your oga. This time now, you and your oga they has 24/7. There is every possibility say problem fit start, quarrel fit start. No argue with your man. This time no be time of argue. Ladies, learn how to cry. There is a lot of advantages when you cry. When you and your oga start to dey talk something, start to dey cry. No argue and say, no be this one, I call this one. No, start to dey cry. Start to dey cry. This time at the time when you be say you go call your oga, sit down, and go sit down. You can say, oga, we want you to do this marriage, more done like this, more done like this, so that God go put and the marriage go better for now for future. Bath your oga, carry your oga, go bathroom. All these kinds of men they like them. Now all these things side chick use they win. Men they like them. Bath your oga, shaving armpit, shaving cassava side. Shave am, una come back. Give your oga better massage. All these kinds of nice side chick use they win. Competition full aside. Because if you say you don't hold now, you know if you do all these things now. Tomorrow now, you same person will go they fight side chick, say side chick they take your oga. This one and a bad market for side chick now. This one opportunity now for you to draw your oga close to your heart. Give your oga better massage. Better massage. If from in neck here, reach inside here, give them better massage, reach ground. If you don't reach where the odogu, they carry the odogu. As I fold this my hand, carry the odogu put for here. Fold the odogu like, massage the odogu like this. Massage them with the massage oil, they massage them. As you dey massage the odogu like this, before 1 minute, no matter how strong this odogu be, the odogu must come. The odogu must carry yogurt come out. Mona learn how to take care of a man. And women learn how to treat your women learn how to treat your man good. Man learn how to treat your women good as well. If una want do kpekus man, no be only when una want do kpekus, no una go dey open it for una woman. Sometimes e no good. Make una learn how to play with una woman if una want do the kpekus also. Una go carry una tongue put for inside here, the leleran for am. I mean this one to leleran. Una go use una hand go where this one they play with them. And then the downside, una go use una hand they do am. Most women like them. Women they use their hand side, they do that place. And if you be woman, you and your oga, they do this kpekus thing. No just carry yourself like that like Iroko tree. Men no like them. You need to they give a different ringtone. And especially if you won't come, no call your man daddy or honey. If you won't come, call him a name direct. If he name na Emeka, or he name na Okafo, or he name na Tony, call her a name direct. Or he name na Ekele, or he name na Edison, call her a name direct. Or he name na Choose, call her a name direct. No go they call all those kinds of sweet name. No, that time na a name go call her direct. Might give you an example. If you and your man they do the thing, You know, the thing don't they digest the entire side, but you go say, oh, daddy, thank you. Oh, Bimi Mela. Oh, daddy, Otu Akede. Oh, sweetie, you are so good. Oh, baby, you are so nice. Daddy, I'm so happy to have you. Daddy, Okwange Ukwa, the best man in the world. Daddy, oh, Imaka. Daddy, Otu Ake Sala. Daddy, Labuomo. Ipota Wakwala. Once na pota. Na hayabu Emeka. I say, oh, Emi Otu Ake Sala. Emi Labuomo. Emi Mote Kam na pota kwa. Emi Ka Tom Gongo, Emila Caposa Moto, Emila Camoto, Emitie Hancha, Emila Bukomo, Emi Apotawa Kwamo, Emi Apotamo, Emi Buomo, Emi Ke Bukwam, Emi Otu Akisala, Emi Kezebe Motalanka, Emi Melao, Emi Omo, Emi Apotawa Kwamo, Emi Apotamo, Epota. Esikwala na ikagwokwa nka that you will not do it. Men love it. Okwu mu ihe ndị a ka side chick jidokwa dingi. Okwu mu ihe ndị a. If you can do all these things, be respectful to your man. Give him a nice food. Ye ezigbo massage. Before you know it, when this coronavirus is over, your man will not even have time for side chick again. Onye nwekwa ntị ya no. Thank you.
This is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like my video, comment, so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be the first person to notify. Please.